we want to go to our modeling ribbon and create parameter. Now, this parameter is something that will help us put all of our charts in one particular line without having so many charts everywhere, right? In this parameter, we can have different columns, and it's going to be well positioned in just one place. And when we click on different buttons, we're going to be seeing the different columns change. Okay, so come over, let me just show you guys how to get this done. So for our parameter, we're going to come to modeling view, right? As you can see, this is new parameter here. So we're just going to come here and we're creating this new parameter on fields. Okay, now what name do we want to give this field? Let's just give it location, because everything is based on location. So the field, we want to add the field, and we're just going to come here, and what we want to add is we want to see the city, we want to see the country, and then the continent, right? So this is what we are creating. And now that we have it like this, we are going to edit this or format it and just make it a tile. Okay, now we're just going to push it on here, and then we can do other formatting, which is, values. Let's make it visible. We're going to remove the slicer header, turn it off, come to general, come to effect, turn off the background. So now we have these three beautiful things. So let us now make good use of it. So we're going to get our bar chart right here. And we're just going to fit it into here, because this is what will be showing us these three columns. Now we're going to be putting in our location now. Okay, so we want to see the location by what? The companies. So now we want to see where these companies are located in terms of the cities, the countries, and the continent. So let's just push this up to our x-axis, and we can see all of the companies, okay, by city. We're seeing them by city right now. So let us see them by continents. Great. So this is what we're going to have. The first thing we want to do is to format this. So come to our visual, let us go to y-axis, turn this off, turn the title off, increase the visibility of this so we can see everything well. Come to our x-axis, we're going to turn everything off. That's the value and the title. And then we're going to turn on our data label and increase the value font. So let's keep it at 20, so we see the number of companies. Lastly, we're going to come to the bars here. We're going to change the color of this one and put this. Okay, so for the bar, we're going to come to the layout and make it a bit smaller for aesthetic's sake. Okay, this is good. We're just going to highlight the highest. We're going to highlight the country that has the highest company, or the continent that has the highest company. So we're going to highlight it with pink. So come to apply settings to category and choose the North America, which has the highest one. And we're just going to put the pink color here. Okay. So now the next thing we want to do is come into the title. Okay. But if you take a look, when you click on country, you can see that this name automatically moves. When you click on city, you can see it automatically changes to city. So now that we are in the general part, please do not type anything in the title so you don't lose that flexibility option. Okay, so when it comes to title, we're just going to turn it on and make this 30 so we can see it. We're We'll just make this 30 and align it in the middle. And then we're just going to leave here, come back to format your visual, and let's change this. You can see it's still changing to country. So what we want to do, because we don't want count of company, what we're going to do is to come here in the x-axis and rename for this visual. So in this rename, you're just going to say what company by continent or whatever it is. And that is how we're going to have this to automatically move. So now when we hit on city, we can see company by city. So you can come here, come to general, come to your visual, come to bar, and get the highest one, which is San Francisco. Okay, so now by country, we also would come here, come to visual, get the highest one, which is United States, and also, change by country. We can also do this using conditional formatting. All right, this is also possible using that, but for today I want to use this. Okay, so now we can see our companies by continent. If we hit here, we can see company by country, and if we hit here, we can see company by city. So this is exactly what parameter does for us. It just gives us the ability to see different things relating to one particular attribute in one place. Okay,